The Senior Citizen Drop-In Centre and Daycare Centre located at Latlabo near Kyang Nangba Stadium was inaugurated yesterday by the Additional Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills District, M.B. Tongper. Operated by the Joai City YMCA with support from the District Social Welfare West Jaintia Hills District, the centre aims to provide assistance to elderly individuals in need of special care and support. The centre will initially cater to 25 elderly individuals, operating from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Mr. Tongper, the ADC, emphasized the significance of such a centre in providing social interaction for older individuals, noting that as people age, they tend to have fewer friends.
Dalam community centers, piwan ang ni piasongkai, lapan nang tiki jinglekai mu iludu kanu tang majar bidia banyak susunan kataru kanu kajingkemen kabar community senior citizens ka information ka knowledge ka pila kadam ka di basar kai da piwan ka ongru experience it counts in the end.
Meghalaya is facing a dire situation